Hey guys, welcome back to Artistic Therapy Zone. Today I am going to do a popular YouTube tag that is What's in My Bag. But today I have come with an alternative to it What's in My trolley bag. Let's get started and see what's in my bag. This is a purple bag. It's my favorite color. You can see that it's quite spacious. It contains all my basic art supplies. It has got three chains where we can keep some small knickknacks. You can see it contains my spare mobile and there is a coffee. So you must be wondering, I have brought it to have my coffee. No guys, this is for doing our coffee art because at my in-laws place they are basically tea lovers, so coffee is sometimes not available and I don't want that we should restrict ourselves. If the markets are not open, then at least we can do our coffee art. So you can expect a coffee art in my upcoming videos. So let's see guys what's inside my bag. Can you see guys what's inside my bag? Yeah, this is the bag. I'll show you how of everything. And if you want, I will be doing just one video where I'll not do show you the details of each and everything. If you want a detailed video regarding the material, their prices, their quality, their swatches, then please do leave your comments below and let me know what all you want to be, what all you want a detailed video about. This will be a basically an introduction video about what all I have carried. So let's see. First, I'll start from this side. The most important thing is this selfie stick. I use it as a replacement for tripod for my top view. Then you can see some handmade papers. These are already DIYed by my daughter. Then I have brought some glue drops. Can you see guys? There is this glue drops. It's used for sticking. And my daughter has done a detailed video regarding how to use this glue drops. I'll be linking in the description box below her how where she has explained everything about those glue drops. These are some glitter, shimmery glitters. You can see they can be used for decorating our craft supplies. Then I have brought one stencil. You can see an art based on using this stencil. I have not carried too many stencils. I have a lot in Mumbai. Actually, it was a lot of dilemma to pack this bag. What all should I carry? What all should I leave? But finally, I have come up with the most basic things that I needed. And there are some this printouts which we can use for decoupage. There is one decoupage paper. I have carried some tissues. We need tissues for doing art as well as for wiping our brushes. And then this is my daughter has got for her, but I use it. She has got this basic supplies, pencil, scale, black pen, eraser, sharpener. Even I have carried eraser and sharpener. This is Tidy Up from Apsara. And there are some brush pens of various sizes. This was gifted by my daughter on my birthday. I have still not used them. I will try them and then make a video how to use them. Then these are the micron pens which are my favorite. These are black ink pens and they are available in 6 different sizes and I love them. They are smudge proof, fade resistant and waterproof. They are used by many artists. They are used for doing our doodle art, for doing mandalas, for doing our any sketching type of things. Then I have got this Dome's Aqua watercolor pencils. These are used for coloring. I have used it in one of my lives, recent lives. It is available on my channel where I have taught mini mandalas. And then I have got this watercolor paper from Brustro. Can you see guys? This is a very nice paper. and it is recommended for doing our watercolor art. It is having 200 GSM thickness. So you might be wondering what is GSM. So GSM is actually the thickness of paper. So you can see how thick it is. I will be using it for doing our watercolor art, as well as I'll make with it few bookmarks. So guys, this is a very sturdy paper, and with this the art comes very nice. Then this is my daughter's box. She has some tiny knickknacks inside it. She has done a haul of what's inside this box, so you can check it on her channel. I'm not opening it, but it contains some small decoration items. Then this is artist watercolor cakes. These are from Camel, and it contains 24 shades. You can see these I'll be using for doing our watercolor art. Then here comes the masking tape. I have made one Polaroid painting in that I have shown. And here comes this box which contains all the various type of brushes. It contains my flat brushes, round brushes, and I have kept Fevicol, some extra acrylic colors without which my artwork is incomplete. I just love acrylic colors, guys. I like working with acrylic colors. So this is it. Then let's see. These are some pattern papers. We can make. We will be making some DIYs with this pattern papers. And here is one cotton color black cloth. It is also. I am also going to use it for making some art. Even on cloths, the art comes very nice. So this will be like fabric painting. And let's see what's more. So this set contains, I have kept inside this some carbon papers of different colors. It varies on our requirement which art we are doing. Sometimes we have to use the black carbon paper, sometimes we have to use the blue carbon paper, and sometimes we have to use this golden yellow carbon paper. And here is one tracing paper, butter paper, which I use for tracing. Then you can see all these craft papers which we can use for making various DIYs. Then here are the origami papers. We can make beautiful origami with this. And again here is a pattern paper. We can use it as for making origami as well as for decoration. Then here comes few canvases of various size. You can see. So I have this 6x6, 8x8, 8x10, and this 10x12. So I have carried very less. I have not carried a lot of them because I have got an alternative to it. You can see. I'll show you next what it is. And this is our 130 GSM A4 size cartridge paper. We can use it for doodling, mandala, and for doing our watercolors also. They are also thick. They have 130 GSM thickness. And here is some ivory sketch pad. It is used for making our Warli art, our different traditional art forms I can use. Even for sketching, it is a good one. Even we can use it for crayons, pencil, charcoals, etc. And these are Fevicryl glass colors. So glass painting we can do with this. Then what next? Let's see. Okay, this is one big bottle of acrylic colors. I love pale blue. So I have carried this full bottle. Remaining all I have not carried the big ones. I have poured them inside the empty bottles, and you can see these दिखाओ पे मत जाओ. These are not poster colors. I have kept inside this acrylic colors. All this box contains acrylic colors because I work more with acrylic colors rather than poster colors. And let's see what else I have. I have more this crafting papers. Craft papers are must. Then these are neon colors. It comes in the set of 4. You can see this I have used in one of my art. Yeah, that vibrant color art. These neon colors were used. Then I have this pearl colors. They are having this pearl means shiny texture, you can see. Then these are metallic colors. They come in the shade of copper, silver, golden, and which else? One more is there. I have to check. Bronze, yeah. These 4 colors. And then this is Mod Podge. I have used it in my photo transfer image video. I'll link down below. You can check a lot of things which I have made with this art supplies. And then here comes my favorite, that is molded. Most of my clay work I do with this molded, and these packs come in the bigger box. You can see these are the fabric colors from Faber-Castell. It comes in a set of 12. So I have carried this full box. And scissor, very important for cutting. Coaster, I have just carried one, guys. Sorry, मतलब मुझे ज़्यादा carry कर रहे थे, but in that packing time I just did not realize कि I have to carry little more. पर ठीक है, एक का भी हम कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा सीख ही लेंगे. Then here comes the A+ glue. It is more sturdier than the normal glue. Even this fabric glue, it is used for our working with the fabric things. So these both are like sturdy compared to our normal glue, and they dry also fast. Now let's see what else. Yeah, I was talking about the alternative for canvas. So this is a canvas roll, guys. Can you see? So this roll is like very portable. You can cut it in various sizes. So I thought that I should carry this roll itself, so that whatever I want to teach on canvas, I can do on this, and it is like lightweight and it can be framed later. So I have carried this roll. Then the ruler, very important. Again, there are a few things which are, I guess, not in this. I have got a cutter also with me. I guess it's inside some other bag. I would have put it in the last moment. So, and this is our sellotape. And guys, this polythene contains lots of things. So all the small things like 3D liners, some glass liners, some decoration items. So I am not doing a detailed haul of this, but it contains decoration ke छोटे knickknacks. So that's it, guys. You can see now the bag is empty, nothing is there. So I have showed you all whatever I have carried with me, and you can expect all the upcoming creativity while I am in Rajasthan with these art supplies. And I don't know what is available here and what is not, but ये इतना सारा art supply is enough for some upcoming time. So thank you guys. I hope you like the video. आपको पता चला कि मैं क्या क्या पैक करके लाई हूँ. And believe me guys, it was very tough decision to take कि मैं क्या यहाँ से लेकर जाऊँ और क्या यहाँ छोड़ के जाऊँ. But finally I decided with this, and it almost took me like one full day to decide what all I need to carry and pack this bag. But I have done it for you guys, so that you guys also do not get bored in this pandemic and enjoy creativity with me. So you can expect YouTube videos as well as my workshops. Some will be paid, some will be free. And guys, most important thing is, this is Artistic Therapy Zone's birthday month. Artistic Therapy Zone started 3 years back on 14th of April, and that's why I have come up with a lot of free live workshops which are there on my YouTube channel. You can check them out. I have done one doodle bookmark, one mini mandala. Recently we did one pen art, and next Saturday also there is some art you have to check. You have to keep an eye on my Instagram handle, Facebook page. Go ahead and like them all. Press the notifications. You will get all the details. Stay tuned, guys, if you want to enjoy more creativity with me. And guys, please one request. आप लोग ना देख के जाते हो, but you forget one thing, to subscribe my channel. So please do that right now. So hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you for being with me. Bye bye. Art you all. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm Anita Gupta from Artistic Therapy Zone, and I have shifted to Rajasthan. And
Shifted?